Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme P3 Pro and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is a place where we can enter all of those codes, and let's start with asterisk pound *225 pound *. And thanks to this code, we can be transferred to the calendar information. It is better to use it if you've got your Google account added to the device. However, you can check the events in this place. So, for example, some family events, holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let me go back and let me show you another code, which is asterisk pound *426 pound *. And there we are in the diagnostics, so you can check the server, host, port, time connected. You can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can show advanced view. Just tap on the status, and here we've got more information. So, for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you another code, which is asterisk pound *06 pound. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and the serial number of this device. Confirm it with OK, and now another code, which is asterisk pound 6776 pound. And here we are in the software version, so we can check the technical information about our device. So, for example, the baseband version, branch, PCB number, or build time. Let's go back, and another code, which is asterisk pound 888 pound. And here we are, let's say, engineer mode, where we can check the PCB number directly, or we can scan this QR code and learn more about this device. Let's go back and let me show you the last code, which is asterisk pound 800 pound. And thanks to this code, we can open the feedback menu. So basically, it is a really nice opportunity to report some kind of problems which you've got with your device. So, for example, let's pretend I've got a problem with maybe the display in the touch screen. Just open this category, touch screen, and here you can choose the problem. So, for example, mistouch, shaking when touching and holding or swiping, touch control lags, unprompted actions, etc. For example, this mistouch. I highly recommend to turn on the screen recording, because after tapping on start, you will be able to simply record your action and record what's the problem with. So you can show the developer where the problem is. So this is basically how it works, and then you can report the problem. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.